Unraveling the mystery of Whiz Kid. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting phrase, Whiz Kid. If you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's unravel this together and add a new phrase to your English vocabulary arsenal. Whiz Kid is a phrase that has been used in English for quite some time. At its core, it describes a person, usually quite young, who is exceptionally talented or skilled in some area. This talent can be in just about anything: academics, a sport, music, or even business. The key elements here are the extraordinary ability and the young age of the person. The term Whiz Kid has an interesting history. It originated in the mid-20th century and was first used to describe young, highly talented individuals in business and professional fields. Over time, its usage expanded to include prodigies in various domains. Knowing the origin helps us appreciate how the term is applied in modern contexts. When you want to use Whiz Kid in a sentence, it's usually as a noun. For example, my nephew is a real whiz kid in mathematics. They hired a whiz kid straight out of college to lead the project. Notice how it's used to express admiration for someone's abilities, particularly in scenarios where their age makes their skills even more remarkable. While Whiz Kid is generally positive, it's crucial to understand the cultural context. In some settings, especially in professional environments, it might be seen as slightly condescending or dismissive of one's other qualities. Always consider the context and the relationship you have with the person you're referring to. And that's a wrap on Whiz Kid. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase and how you can use it effectively in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words but the stories and nuances behind them. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.